Hey there, also here, the digital assassin. The acronym we're talking about today is KPIs, Key Performance Indicators. Now, what are the main KPIs you need in terms of digital marketing? Whatever you choose, they need to be aligned with your business goals, what your business KPIs are. Now, the first thing we want to look at is the volume of traffic going to your website or your mobile app. And then what are all the different sources of traffic? How much is coming direct? How much is coming from search engine optimization? How much is coming from Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, whatever advertising, public relations, social media campaigns that you're doing? Where is all that traffic coming from? And then the next one we want to look at is conversions. So is that sales? Is it e-commerce? Is it leads that you've got off your website? And they could be in the form of forms being filled out or phone calls made from mobile phones. There's a whole range of things. And then the actual acquisition cost of those customers. So the cost for each channel for making a sale. And sometimes this stuff's pretty hard to measure. We can get obsessed with KPIs because in some cases it's quite difficult to work out where did the last click happen before the sale went through. And in a lot of cases, someone can see an ad and then they can actually search for you on Google and you think that it's an SEO lead or sale, but it was actually a Facebook ad or whatever. So it's not going to be completely exact, but it is important that you get things in place to track as much data as you possibly can. Now, we normally start with Google Tag Manager, so you can put that on your website, on your mobile app, and then you can, within Tag Manager, you can configure a whole range of things to track in terms of Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, which will track Facebook and Instagram. But the other thing that people probably don't know that is through a Zapier, you can add around 1,500 different applications to Tag Manager. So you can track just about anything. So make a list of all of the things that you've got in place in terms of marketing activities, and then see how you can measure those as best you can and what tracking codes are required, what pixels, and talk to us, talk to all the digital people, and we'll be able to advise you on how to get those things in place. But as Peter Drucker famously said, if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. So we're looking to see what's working so we can keep doing that or double down on it. What's not working? How do we improve it, or do we stop doing it? So if you would like some advice on putting KPIs in place in your business, or you know that you're not hitting your KPIs, you're way off, reach out, we can have a chat and we can see what we can do to help you out. Thanks very much.